Hey Curly Teas, between posting finished formulas and how-to videos at the website and Patreon, I'm always creating and testing out formulas, so I thought I'd post one such example here. This one is the 5% Mandelic Acid version 8 that I'm working on. I'm not completely satisfied with this formula. I have not been able to make my ideal Mandelic Acid Serum yet. I've continued to work on it, but something is missing. Version 8 is closest to what I'm looking for, but it's still not quite there. I hope y'all don't think I be playing. There's always something to be learned or gained from simply making whatever it is you're interested in making. To be honest, this is the type of thing that I do with most of my free time. When I said version 8 earlier, I meant that. I tried this formula with multiple iterations of various gelling agents, preservatives, and solubilizers. So what do you guys think? Like, what's a good addition to this formula to make it pop? You know what I mean? What could I be overlooking to finally finish this formula? Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment.